Welcome to Cool Machines, a leading designer and manufacturer of insulation and fiber metering machines, proudly located in Van Wert, Ohio. The CM1500 is a great entry-level machine for the startup professional contractor, desiring a machine with ease of portability, yet impressive production rates. With dual 120-volt power supplies. This machine is an affordable choice for the budget-conscious customer, starting up a professional contracting business or as a backup machine to your fleet's larger machines. Known for its rugged design, modular components, and simple electrical features, the CM1500 with its innovative scalping auger has established itself as the most popular solution for the up-and-coming professional insulator. The CM1500 is more productive and heavier than the CM700 due to its larger airlock capacity and increased power requirements. The unit can be factory customized to satisfy longer range blowing and spraying applications with the addition of a second blower. The optional second blower provides more versatility as well as backup capabilities to the primary blower. Unlike our competitors, Cool Machines feature simple designs, oversized drive components, and exceptional customer service. We select the highest quality materials and workmanship to enhance reliability and performance. From regreasable triple sealed bearings, precision machine components, and durable powder-coated solid steel construction, Cool Machines sets itself apart from the rest of the industry. Our machines are proudly designed and built in the United States with worldwide distribution and service. Whether you're just starting out or are looking to upgrade your fleet, you can trust our rugged and versatile machines to grow your business. For more information, please visit our website at coolmachines.com.